If you're looking for ideas for your upcoming Instagram post, this video is for you because I'll share 5 popular collections of Canva templates, the ones that you see in the back, and these templates are free to all Canva users. So stay watching until the end because I'll share the keywords to find them. Hi, my name is Diana and I am a Canva verified expert but also a Canva creator. Before I give you all the keywords in this video, I just wanted to mention that you can find all the templates that I'm going to share today on my Canva profile, but as we have thousands of templates over there and we have a mix of pro and free templates, I thought it would be useful to create this series of videos sharing some of our best free template collections. This is collection number 1 and this is a mock-up of what it would look like on your Instagram feed, and this is the keyword to find the collection: neon green digital. And pay attention because this keyword has quotation marks. These are very important if you want to find this collection. So you're gonna go to canva.com and then you are going to type that keyword in this search bar. So I have my keyword here and then hit enter. We see here a mix of different document types. We see some presentation documents, but we are interested only in the Instagram posts that we see here. But we're going to filter this search result with the help of the category drop down that we see here. You're gonna click in category, then social media, and then Instagram posts. This is the collection that you should see on your screen, but if you're having issues trying to find the collection and you see thousands of templates on your screen, I left links in the description so you can find the collections that I'm going to mention today here in the video. Coming back to the collection number 1, you will see that on these designs we have content related to entrepreneurship, online businesses, and UX design. But if you like the style of this collection and you would like to use it for any other kind of content, you can do it because this collection has basic icons and shapes, so it really doesn't matter if you are talking about entrepreneurship on these designs, finances, or any other kind of topic. Also, I believe the color palette here is very versatile. Let me know what do you think. And in this collection we also have one template which is actually a carousel. It is this one right here. We have 4 different slides, so the one that is the cover, and then 3 other slides in which we can share 3 different tips or steps. In this video, as you know, I'll be sharing 5 free collection of templates for your Instagram content, but in this video I want to share something extra, so I'm gonna share a free collection of planner templates so you can get organized this year, and that one I'll be sharing it at the end of the video. This is collection number 2. This is how this collection would look like on your Instagram feed, and this is the keyword you need to find the collection. This keyword actually will only work if you use it on my Canva profile. So you need to type on your browser canva.com/Diana Munoz, hit enter, and then from here you are going to scroll down until you see this search bar right here. You're gonna type here the keyword and then you will see the collection in here. If you need templates to promote a business, like let's say an agency, this collection is for you. In this collection we have 4 different designs that will help us create educational content. We also have some other designs that are quotes or motivational content. We also have some other designs that I really like that will help us promote our businesses, like for example this one right here, in which we explain what we do. So this one is going to really target these potential clients, and this one in which we share what we can do for your business. We have 6 different points and we can explain it further in the caption of our Instagram post. Let me do a parenthesis here because I want to ask you guys if you want me to create a video, maybe the next video, in which I share collection of templates with just one particular style. So let's say that you want to find only collection of templates with a minimal style, or maybe only 5 collection of templates that have a retro style or feminine style. So please let me know which is the design style that you use the most, so that in the next video you can discover more templates with the same style that you are already using. This is collection number 3, and this is the Instagram mockup. This is how this collection could look like on your Instagram feed, and this is the keyword you need to find the collection. This keyword will only work if you go to my profile. So let's go to canva.com/Diana Munoz, hit enter, and then you are going to type the keyword in this search bar. The theme on this collection is more related to self-care, personal growth, well-being, but what I really like about this collection is that it has a very minimal style but still looks very elegant, and it has a delicate touch to it. I also like that it has frames, so you can actually swap the photos that you see on this frame and use your own photos. In this collection we have 2 different carousels. So one, it is this one right here. In here we have the cover, we have some other 3 pages, and lastly we have the call to action page in which we ask people to follow you for more. Then we have this other carousel in which we only see text in the first pages, and the last one with a frame in which we can add our photo. This collection right here has so many different layouts that I'm sure you are going to find the one that you need for any kind of content. This is collection number 4, and this is how all of these designs could look like on your Instagram feed, and this is the keyword you need to find this collection. Remember that every time that you see quotation marks on the keyword, these are necessary for you to find the templates that I'm showing you on the screen. So for this keyword you can go to canva.com, to the home page, and use the keyword on this search bar. So I'm gonna paste my keyword here and hit enter. You will see on the search results that Canva has this magic design feature, and it is going to generate with the artificial intelligence some designs. These designs or these templates are not the ones that I want to show you, so keep scrolling down until you see something that says 14 templates, and this is the collection that I'm talking about. As you can see, all the templates that I have been sharing today are completely free to use, and this is not the exception. This collection right here has finance content, but again, as I mentioned on the first collection, I want you to see that the shapes used on these designs are really basic, so you could use these templates for other topics without any issues. Now let me show you quickly the 3 carousels that we have on this collection, and then I'll show you how to use this mockup right here, because it is pretty easy to use and you can create amazing designs with it. Let's start with the first carousel, which is this one here. We have 6 different pages. What I like about this carousel is that there is a line that is connecting all of the pages, so this can help you have this seamless effect on the carousel. The second carousel here, it is this one. We have 5 different pages. We also have the seamless effect on this one, and we can achieve it with photos. So you will see that there is a frame on the first page and then another frame on the second page. This is actually the same frame, but it is split into 2. So if you are going to change the images on this carousel, make sure that you are inserting the same photo on page 1 and on page 2, and then do the same for page 3 and page 4. Insert the same photo here and the same photo on this frame, so you can then on Instagram have the seamless effect. Now let me show you the third carousel, which is this one. In this one we have a frame in the background, so you can change this photo in the back for anything that you want and you can also insert a video, so that can be a really cool effect to have on your carousel. Lastly, we have this mockup here, and let me customize this template to show you how easy it is to customize this template. You can go to Elements and browse the photo or video library, or you can also upload your own media. I'm gonna use the photo library here, so let me go to photos and see all. And now you just need to drag the photo over the phone, and you will see that the photo will get replaced. Let me do it again. I'm going to take one of these photos and place it over the phone, and it is as simple as that. You can do the same thing but using videos. So let me go to videos and let me type vertical video, and then I'm going to drag the video on top of the phone, and now we have a video playing on the mockup. You can be very creative with this template, so I cannot wait for you to try it out. This is collection number 5, and this is how this could look like on your Instagram feed. Finally, this is the keyword that you need to find this collection. Remember that the quotation marks are very important, so go to canva.com, use the search bar and type the keyword here, or remember that there are links in the description for you to find this collection easier. Let me type the keyword here and hit enter. This collection is a little bit funky and bold. I really like it because every template here is different, but all of them look cohesive if you look at them as a group. We have a book as now design, which is very useful if you are promoting a service-based business. You have also a cool carousel that is pretty easy to edit as it is based on text only. You also have many educational content to position yourself as an expert and help answer common questions your clients or potential clients might have. These are the 5 collections of Instagram templates. Remember that I have one more that I want to share with you guys, but I wanted to stop here to ask you which of the 5 collections I showed you like the best. And now let me show you the extra collection that I have for you guys. This one is very special because it is not related to Instagram, but is related to organization. These are planners. This is the free collection of planners that I have for you guys today, and this is the keyword that you need. So let's go to canva.com, to the homepage, and let's type the keyword here. I'm gonna hit enter. Remember that you will see the magic design results on top of the screen. This is not what we are looking for. Scroll down, and in here you will see the 8 different templates that I'm talking about. With these templates, you can plan your day, your week, your month, and even your year. You can use these templates directly in Canva, or you could print them out and write over them. Let me show you how to use them in Canva. Let's say that you want to use one of these templates right here. So I'm gonna use the weekly meal plan. I'm gonna click on the template and then customize this template. I'm gonna close this window here as we don't need it. And let's say that I want to start typing my grocery list. I'm gonna add a text box, so you can hit the key T to add a text box, or another way is by going to the left panel, selecting text, and then add a text box. Once you have your text box, you can start typing your grocery list. If you don't want to plan your meal plan, but you want to plan anything else, you can simply edit the text boxes here and leave just weekly plan, and then you can start typing here whatever that you need to add on the design. Let me just go back and leave it as a meal plan. You can see that in here I can start typing my list. So carrots, let's say milk, we may need flour, baking powder, and so on. You can keep adding text boxes to fill your meal plan. So I'm gonna add another text box, and I'm going to write my breakfast for Monday. let's say that I'm just going to eat eggs and coffee, and then I can continue. And if you are interested in organizing your ideas or organizing your day, week, month, and year, but you are not quite sure about the designs that I'm showing you here on the screen, you can go to my profile because we recently created new collections of planners that are available there. So go to my profile, remember that is canva.com/dianamunoz, and then in the search bar type planner, and you will see all the planner templates available here. You will see a mix of pro templates and free templates, but if you only have a free account, there are plenty of free options as well. So please let me know if you see yourself using these planners or not. This information can really help us out decide whether or not keep creating these planners. And to discover more free Canva templates, watch this playlist right here. And if you enjoy our content, remember to subscribe. I think this is it for this video and hope to see you in the next one. Bye!